Friends, we are doing the exercise 4D, chapter name is factorization. Chapter 4, factorization from the book Innovative Math Books. For this exercise 4D, formula required, I am writing one by one. Two formula required here. One is A cube plus B cube. Okay, the formula is what? That is A plus B whole into A square minus AB plus B square. The second formula required for this exercise 4D, chapter factorization, that is A cube minus B cube. The formula will be A minus B whole into A square plus AB plus B square. Using these two formula, you have to factorize the exercise 4D. Okay. See the question number 1 from the Innovative Math books. Let me copy the question first. That is given number 1, A cube minus 1. A cube minus 1 means this will be A cube minus 1 cube. The formula will be A minus 1 whole into A square plus A plus 1. This is the answer of number 1. Just to see number 2. Okay, number 2 question given 8A cube minus 1. 8A cube means 2A whole cube minus 1 whole cube. Then apply the formula here, A cube minus B cube. The formula will be A minus B whole into A square, that is 4A square, plus AB means 2A plus B square, that is 1. This is the answer of number 2. See the number 3 question. Question number 3 given 1 minus 27 A cube. 1 means what? 1 cube. 27 A cube means 3A whole cube. The apply formula A cube minus B cube, that is 1 minus 3A whole into 1 square, that is 1 plus 3AB 3A plus B square, that is 9A square. This is the question number 3 completed. Just see number 4, next number, that is 8A cube minus plus given question plus given 27 B cube. 8A cube means that is 2A whole cube. 27 B cube means 3B whole cube. A cube plus B cube formula you have to apply here. Okay, A cube plus B cube formula you have to apply. The formula is A plus B, 2A plus 3B. Next it will be A square means 2A whole square, that is 4A square minus AB, that is 6AB plus B square, that is 9B square. Okay, this is the number 4 completed. Let us go next number. Just see. See the question number 5. Question given like this: 125 A cube minus 64 B cube. 125 A cube means 5A whole cube. This will be 4B whole cube. Now apply the formula here, A cube minus B cube. The formula will be A minus B whole into A square, that will be 25A square, plus AB, that will be 20AB plus 4B whole square. 4B whole square will be how much? 16B square. Let me explain again. Here A means here 5A and B means here 4B. As per the formula, A minus B, that is 5A minus 4B. Okay, and A square means 5A whole square, 25A square plus AB, A into B, that is 20AB plus B square, B means 4B whole square. Okay, let us go number 6. Just see. Question number 6, it is given like this: Y cube plus 1000 given here. As it is given 1000, this is Y whole cube, no doubt. 1000 means 10 whole cube. This will be A cube plus B cube means A plus B, Y plus 10. Next it will be A square means Y square minus A into B, Y into 10, that is 10Y plus B square, B means 10, 10 whole square 100. This is the answer of number 6. Just see number 7. 7 number question given 64 A cube minus 1 by B whole cube. 64 a cube, and this will be 4a whole cube, this will be 1 by b whole cube. Now here a means here 4a, b means here 1 by b. Just you have to memorize a cube minus b cube formula. A minus b means 4a minus 1 by b. Next it will be a square, 4a whole square, that is 16a square. Then plus ab, a into b means 4a by b. Then plus b square, 1 by b whole square means 1 by b square. Okay, this is the answer of number 7. Next I am going to number 8. Just to see the question number 8, what is given here? X cube by 64 minus, okay, question given minus, okay, write here minus y cube by 27. Here minus and given, okay, just as for the question. This will be x by 4 whole cube, because if you multiply 4 3 times, this will be 64, x by 4 whole cube, minus this will be y by 3 whole cube, y by 3 whole cube. Okay, now applying the formula a cube minus b cube, a minus b, x by 4 minus y by 3 a minus b whole into a square, means x by 4 whole square will how much? This will be x square by 16 plus a into b, that will be xy by 12. Just have to multiply a into b plus b square, b means here what? Y by 3, y by 3 whole square will be how much? Y square by 9. So what is the formula here? A cube minus b cube, that is a minus b. Here a means x by 4, b means y by 3. Applying the formula a cube minus b cube. Okay, this is an answer of number 8. Let us go number 9. Just see. See the question number 9. Question given 8 a cube plus 8 a cube b cube plus 27 c cube. This is the question that I am taking from the exercise 4D. 8 a cube b cube means 2ab whole cube, and 27 c cube means this will be 3c whole cube. Now the formula is a cube plus b cube formula you have to apply. A means here 2ab, b means here 3c, that will be a 2ab plus 3c, a plus b, yes or no? Then whole into a square, 2ab whole square will how much? 4a square b square minus ab, a means here 2ab, b means 3c, it will be how much? 6abc, 6abc plus b square means here 3c whole square, b 3c whole square will be how much? 9c square. This is the answer of number 9. Number 9, okay. Let us go number 10. Today 10 will be the last one. Next we will continue the exercise. See the question number 10. It is given like this: 8 x to the power 6 minus 27 y cube. 8 x to the power 6 means what? 2x square whole cube. 27 y cube means 3y whole cube. Now tell me a cube minus b cube formula is what? A means here 2x square, b means here 3y. Keeping in memory that a cube minus b cube, the formula is a minus b. I am telling a minus b, but writing here 2x square minus 3y. Okay, a minus b. Then a square, what is that? A means here 2x square whole square plus ab. A means here what? 2x square into 3y, that is a square plus ab plus b square, 3y whole square. Okay, now tell me finally, this is 2x square minus 3y, and this will be 2x square whole square will be how much? 4x to the power 4 plus 2x square into 3y, so this will be 6x square y. Next 3y whole square, 3y whole square means this will be 9y square. Okay, this is the answer of number 10. Today I have completed serially 1 to 10. Try to practice for your coming half yearly exam, and next I will go from 11 to 20 next day. Thank you for today class.